Good morning, guys. Myself, MD Arif Ali. I properly belongs to UP Gorakhpur. Uh, the prime mover in a safety field. So, just I would like to express my feelings among you all. So, first of all, why we should manage workplace health and safety in our organization. The most and very beneficial thing is to preventing the accidents and incidents inside the premises, and also giving the best and the greatest result of the environment and also quality. So it is very important to deal as the to deal and combating the knowledge in initial stage. So it is our prime and first duty to be encompassing on knowledge and skill and ability to do any job. As a safety professional and as a safety officer, our prime duty is to do the best in our company and also organization. Actually, this is a sheep recycling yard along along very well along it is located in Bhavnagar, just 200 kilometer away from Baroda. It is totally engaged beside of the sea. A lot of vessels has been dismantled in this seashore and nearby the intertidal zone. A number of activity is being carried out since last 25 years in these premises. Out of which one is dismantling process and also the everything removing from vessels non-ferrous material and usable things from vessels. The main purpose of the dismantling is removing of the hazardous material from vessels to get it. Out of which one is glass wool, asbestos, billed water, radioactive material, and also some very necessary things which is to be removed from vessels. Before removing, we can't perform our any work inside the vessel. So whenever the vessels arrive in our beach and in our plot in Alang. So first of all, we have to take beaching permission. For this, we will have to arrange every safety regarding. So when the beaching permission will completed, then we used to go on vessel and all the IHM parts will be removed. And after 1 month, all the things usually finished like removing of aisle and making ventilation for manhole to do the job very fluently. Actually, in vessel dismantling, there are a lot of work is being performed. The most and the most important work is like uh, hot work. All the plates, all the iron plates, after cutting, is being disposed in several companies for production in different types of form like iron steel plus rod in rod like this. So this activity when any perform, then it is full of hazards and full of risk. The most thing is carrying out in this vessel is hot work, cutting the plates, cutting the vessel from top to bottom and from fourth peak to aft peak. So whenever worker start to dismantle the plant, we usually perform our work very well. Like during the job, we also perform our activity, our responsibility beside of the worker, we also stand as the safety, and also we are responsible to managing the health and safety of the worker, and also environment and quality both. So the main purpose of my making video is to making awareness of the people. So whenever you do job anywhere across India, across any world, so first of all you have to make sure why is your safety is being performed during the work. When you think about safety, you will do best. Before you start doing any work, you have to think of that activity. What is the hazards and the risk associated with that activity? Like suppose we have to performing like lowering of the materials from vessel. So what is provision to be carried out before getting lowered the items from vessels to downward? So most thing here is the provision to getting lowered down the materials from tie up with the wire rope, and also and tie up by the wire rope, and then being lowered from top to bottom. And this activity having more hazards. Maybe the wire might be cracked and the wire might be broken. So that's why whenever you start to getting lowering and anything from top to bottom, so you have to ensure it is also performing height work. So height work also include much more severe hazards. And also this vessel containing much more height, up to 120 feet height from the earth level. So there are so many accident also happened here. Before 20 years, before 10 years, there were many accidents took place every day. In each and every company, the accident records and the incident record is more severe and more high. After applying our best effort and safety provision and responsibility, we have commanded on controlling and reducing the hazards and also accident incident rate. So, guys, whenever you think to perform any work, first of all, you have to make sure what is to be carried out and what is the risk and hazards associated with the work. I told you already, guys, because you know very well we have come here to do the job and earning the money, accepting our family, and lifting our family at our home. Because when we will save, then we can earn the money. Any parts of the body will get damaged, then we can't do the work very well. And also obviously after getting injured, any person of the company and any occupier of the company will not hire to you to perform the job. So guys, it is our prime responsibility to do the job very well in a safe manner, and also be sure where we have stand. First thing, you have to make sure where I am stand and how the work will carry out. Because a number of activity, a number of job is being performed in different type of organization. So there are so many types of work like in complex nature, and some type of work is very low nature. So obviously, when the complex nature is the work is carried out, the more hazards, the more risk will be arrive, and in short company, the risk and hazards will be very less. So whenever you start to do the work, first you think your family and your future to prevent your prevent your future and to do the best. Thanks, Mr.